Guys, I'm sorry, but I'm going to try to sell the Rebel on eBay. There's a Harley Davidson I want. So, we're going to link this video on eBay. You see, I got these on my Rebel. I got the same ones on my Hayabusa. The Hayabusa isn't for sale. This is. These mirrors here are from a Honda Shadow. The mirrors they're nice mirrors actually. They're quality mirrors. I'm going to sell this with the motorcycle. This is a halogen headlight. I got the bullets in the front. I'm going to get this inspected on Friday. Right now it has a 8, but on Friday this is going to get inspected. Okay, as you see, there's a filter on the tank. The inside of the tank's been acid cleaned, apple cider vinegar cleaned, and it has been coated with a red coat. I have a Harley foot peg shifter. The rear foot pegs have been taken off because this is a solo seat. As you see, it has a side mount license plate bracket. I modified the rear fender. I painted the taillight housing. I put these on because I was going to put a different fender on here, and I changed my mind. Has drag pipes on it. The drag pipes have baffles on them. They're actually welded too. The carburetor has been taken off and cleaned. It has new brakes in the front, new brakes in the rear. You can see the adjuster there, or the your marks that tell you when these line up, it means you need new rear brakes. The chain's new. The chain's been lubricated. I keep it lubricated a lot. Let's see, the rear tire I just put on. The rear tire is brand new. The rear tire is a Pirelli. The front rotor has been replaced. That's a new front rotor. It's also got a new front tire too. Okay, we'll start her up. Got the solo seat on. I just had this out for a ride, so I don't think we'll need a choke. Okay, she starts right up like it ain't no thing. There's your halogen headlight, nice and bright. You have the old one over there just to prove it. And yeah, we have the drag handlebars. When I sell this, I'll give you guys the old handlebars that are up there. I'll give you the old headlight, and I'll give you the old rear tire because I have no use for it. Plugs are new, oil's been changed. The starter one-way clutch has been cleaned. It has a new clutch in on this side. And the clutch plates are actually quality clutch plates. It leaks no oil, it doesn't leak a thing. It's a very reliable little motorcycle. I just put these on. The round reflectors. These are from a Kawasaki 750 actually. Because in Pennsylvania you have to have reflectors in the front and back. And yeah, Friday, or rather Thursday, excuse me. Thursday this is going to get inspected. So that's what we ride, boys. We ride a 2013 Hayabusa and a Honda 250. This is actually a lot of fun. I actually like this more than a Hayabusa. This is under 300. Since I took the pipes off, see, there's the old set of pipes there. You guys want those, you can have those too. And you'll have the that's the old spare tire. Those are mine. Those are staying here. Those are from the Busa. But since I took the mufflers off the back and I shortened the rear fender by about a foot, this is actually under 300 pounds. Probably about 290 pounds, 295. We got these custom brackets here in case you want to put like a tack on here, or a clock, or a voltage reader. I also have 2 sets of keys too. And the brake fluid has been flushed out. This got .4 in here in place of .3. And that's it. Everything else works in it. The horns work, signals work. Oh, here, let me start her up one more time for you guys. I'll show you the LED tail light. When you put on the brake on, the tail light comes on too. What we have here is we have an LED strip up here for the tail light, and a LED strip down here for the brake. Okay, catch y'all later.